Hello, hi. Okay, this year I want to try something new lah. Try to post video with two language, English and Bahasa Malaysia. Previous all my video is in Bahasa Malaysia, so we try to do English version, just a simple unboxing kit, and maybe review also. So today we will unbox HG from GQ series. This name is a white Gundam. This like a red Gundam, just a different color. Then maybe we can see what inside here that different from the red Gundam. So this box art, the posing image, action pose. They got the bazooka. This one is red Gundam. I think don't have bazooka. This has a bazooka. Then the weapon is not so much lah. They got rifle, shield, the connector for shield, beam saber and beam handle with a favorite part, and bazooka. Okay, and this one front and rear. This is a painted state. This a price around 80 to 90 ringgit. So inside we have like 1, 2 and 3 pack. This is one manual. So you see manual first. So this manual, they got info here. The pilot is Cha Asnaber. There is a runner. All parts is used. Don't have the polycap. They have a part unused for. Then other that, all parts is used. Start with a head part. Then they got like runner. Mention the what runner we need for this part. It's very good. Same as this body part. So this one is a right arm, left arm. Complete the upper body. Waist part, I think this very similar to red Gundam. Later after finish, we will see on review video. So right leg, left leg. I like this. They show front and rear view. Image of front and rear like this one. So weapon, backpack, weapon, bazooka, shield, beam saber, handle, beam rifle. Very simple. The bazooka Swiss sandwich like this. And the shield. This how to connect the shield and store the shield at the back. Then there's the info: beam rifle, shield, hyper bazooka, head vulcan, and beam saber. Then this color guide if you want to paint. So all the manual to go to the runner. Sticker here. I think this sticker, one sticker only. And runner B, so runner C, multicolor runner, mostly for arms. This one on the shoulder and the knee parts. So they got details here. On the B, on the C, I think this for weapon. We see the bazooka, beam rifle. See, and I1 for armor, blue color. Next pack. It's a polycap, only use 2. It's runner E for white, yellow parts. This runner F, armor for, I think for arms parts, and head, this one. Last pack, first sticker here, I think for shield and for some detail parts. Then there's runner A for inner frame. I think inner frame, body and waist, and you got leg here and shield. Invincible effect parts, it's like pink, not very clear pink. And lastly is a runner D for shield. You can see here the detail here. So we will do a speed book like always and do review. I try to review with English language. Okay, thank you all for watching, and please subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye.